Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Philips 5500 series fully automatic espresso machine, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You know how hard it can be to find that perfect cup of coffee every time? That's what makes the Philips 5500 series so exciting. It's like having a personal barista at home. But is it really worth the investment? I'm about to dive in and share my honest thoughts on this fully automatic espresso machine. For those who are serious about their coffee game, the Philips 5500 series is definitely worth considering. With its advanced features and sleek design, it's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their home coffee experience. But before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about what makes this machine so special. So, who is this for? Well, if you're a busy professional who needs a quick pick-me-up in the morning, or a coffee enthusiast who wants to experiment with new recipes, the Philips 5500 series is your best bet. Its ease of use and versatility make it perfect for anyone looking to elevate their coffee experience. One thing that really gets me excited about this machine is its Lattego proprietary milk system. Imagine being able to froth, foam, and steam milk to create cafe-quality drinks with just the touch of a button. It's like having your own personal barista at home. And the best part? The Lattego system is incredibly easy to clean. Just toss it in the dishwasher or give it a quick rinse under the sink. But what really sets the Philips 5500 series apart from other espresso machines on the market is its ability to deliver incredible results with minimal effort. With its quick start feature, you can have a perfectly brewed cup of coffee in just 3 seconds. That's faster than most coffee shops. And when it comes to sound quality, the Silent Brew technology ensures that your coffee experience is peaceful and quiet, even on busy mornings. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this machine really worth the investment? The answer is a resounding yes. With its advanced features and sleek design, the Philips 5500 series pays for itself in about 6 months of saving money on daily coffee shop runs. And with its wide range of presets, you can experiment with new recipes and flavors to keep your coffee game strong. Of course, like any machine, there are some minor complaints to be aware of. Some users have reported issues with the grinders, but these seem to be relatively rare and easily fixable. And while the machine is incredibly easy to use, it does require a bit of maintenance to keep it running smoothly. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the Philips 5500 series fully automatic espresso machine. Its advanced features, sleek design, and incredible performance make it a must-have for anyone serious about their coffee experience. Whether you're a busy professional or a coffee enthusiast, this machine is sure to deliver. So, if this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. And don't forget to check out the link in the description below to grab your own Philips 5500 series fully automatic espresso machine. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.